Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from DRDO JRF recruitment. Yes, when you will go to the official website of drdo.gov.in, here you can see in the career section, dear students, okay, a few recruitment advertisement are there for the JRF position. Now, earlier also we had a discussion. Earlier also I posted some videos for you where the JRF recruitment was there. So in the same manner, here we are having some JRF or research and research assistant also. So you can see the first one is here. Okay, this one for the bio science. I think this is here. So advertisement for the award for junior research JRF in DEBL Bengaluru. Okay, this published on 14th August and the last date will be 10 September. When I will open here, so you can see. I will tell you the detail also here. In these JRF position, you guys can go there, okay, with or without get scorecard. You can just check it out the detail. When you will just go there, so you will have some experience, some very good experience. Okay, so let's see. So advertisement for the award of junior research fellowship JRF selection will be made on the basis of screening and the interview. So this is mentioned here. They are having only one number of fellowship. Okay, master's degree in chemistry or BE Tech in chemical engineering, you guys can apply here. First thing, okay, and when you are having this first one, so if you want to go with the BE Tech, then first revision with the valid GET scorecard is also there. Now let's come to the next one. When I will go to this one, advertisement for the section of JRF CEMILAC Bengaluru. When I will click here, so here also it will open. So we can see lots of the availables here. So advertisement for the selection of JRF. And here number of fellowship is one for the mechanical engineering. How you can, what is the eligibility criteria? B Tech in the relevant means mechanical with the first division and with the GATE scorecard. Okay, if you are having ME Tech, then there is no requirement of the GATE scorecard. Upper age limit is 28-year. Emolument, they will give you the stipend of rupees 37,000 per month. Okay, and plus HRA and medical facilities are also applicable. Tenure, this will be initially for the 2 year, as we know that junior research fellowship will be minimum for the 2 year, and then they can extend it. So minimum for the 2 year, and it can be extendable up to the 4 year. Okay ji. Now what is the type of the written application form? You need to go this one, and the selection process will be again, I told you here, the based on they will just shortlist you and then they will call you for the interview also. This and the next one also you can see in the JRF DIBER Haldwani. Here the last date is 6th September. You can see here the dates also. So for this Bengaluru, the last date is 3rd September. Here the last date will be 6th September at the Haldwani. Yeah. So number of posts are here 6. Electrical engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, communication, mechanical, chemical. Similar 6 number of vacancies are there. What is the requirement? First, you need to be BE Tech with the first class, means minimum 60% marks with the valid GATE scorecard. Okay, and here the last date will be 6 September. Publishing of shortlisted candidate for the interview 13 September. So you can see just like this the details are mentioned here. And I think let's check it out, this one about CAIR. So CAIR, here also they are having advertisement for the walk-in interview for the post of JRF on 20th September. They are having directly walk-in on the 20th September at CAIR Bengaluru. JRF Computer Science, one vacancy is there. What is the requirement? BE Tech in Computer Science and Engineering. Okay, with the valid GATE scorecard. Okay, if you are a ME Tech student, then there is no requirement of GATE scorecard. Knowledge of cryptography and coding decoding they mentioned. Duration of fellowship will be 2 year. Upper age limit is 28-year. Okay, now this is the procedure. You can see the 20th September will be the walk-in here. Okay, more details mentioned, you can check it out. So I think and here let's see filling up of various posts in DRDO. I think this is not for the JRF. Here we are having one more DIET Pune call for the application. And let me check it out. What is the last date? Last date is 20th August for this one. Okay, let's see. Is it applicable? Call for the application. Yeah, here JRF BE Tech, number of posts are 2. BE Tech or MSc in first division with NET or GATE scorecard. And here they required material science, mechanical engineering, production engineering or metrology also. 37,000 will be the stipend minimum for the 19-month and upper age limit is 20 year. Okay, 28 years, sorry. And this will be last date is 20th August. Today is the 16th. You can apply before that 20th. Okay. So these are the vacancies, dear students. These means if you are looking for good scope for the JRF, if you are looking your future in the research domain, then surely you can just try this JRF positions also. If you are eligible, you can try and you can apply. Before applying, please check it out the official website drdo.gov.in, and here in the career section you can see, when you will scroll down, you can see lots of the options are available. You can just see according to your suitability and according to your eligibility what is applicable for you. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. Thank